Good morning, students. Today we will be starting with exercise 1C. Alright, so before we start with exercise 1C, so let us just take a look at the concept of what is prime factorization is. Alright, so in this case, the method that we will be using will be prime factorization method. So before we proceed with this method, there are a few things that we should know. Like for number one, so what are prime numbers? All right, so prime numbers are basically numbers which are divisible. All right, so prime numbers are numbers which are divisible, all right, by only itself and 1. All right, so prime numbers, they are numbers which are divisible by only itself and 1. For example, all right, for example 2, which number can divide 2? Only 1 and itself. So which number can divide 3? Only 1 and itself. For example 4, so which number can divide 4? So 2. All right, 2 can divide 4, so we can say that 4 is not a prime number. For example 5, it is divisible only by itself and 1. So 6 can be, all right, 6 can be divided by 2 and 3, so therefore 6 is not a prime number. And 7, all right, then 11, so on and so forth. All right, so that is the definition of prime numbers. All right, another thing that we need to take a look is the meaning of factors. All right, so what are factors? Factors are simply numbers. All right, they are simply numbers we multiply together. We multiply together to get another number. All right, so factors are basically numbers we multiply together to get another number. So for example 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So here we can say that 2 and 3 are factors of 6. All right, so once more, what are factors? They are basically numbers we multiply together to get another number. So in this case, what will be the factors of 6? The factors of 6 will be 2 and 3. Since we multiply 2 and 3, we get 6. So the factors of 6 will be 2 and 3. All right. So then we will come to the third factor. So the third factor is what is prime factorization method? What is prime factorization method? All right, what is prime factorization method? So prime factorization method is simply to find which prime numbers multiply together. To find which prime numbers, all right, to find which prime numbers multiply together. Multiply together to make the original number. All right, so prime factorization simply means to find which prime numbers. All right, to find which prime numbers multiplying together to make the original number. So for example, let us take 12. All right, so 2 6, then 2 3 3 1. So in this case, which prime numbers, all right, which prime numbers multiply together to make the original number? In this case, the original number is 12. So in this case, which are the prime numbers which multiply to form the original number 12? It will be 2. All right, 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3. So also we can write it in exponential form. It will be 2 to the power 2 into 3. So these are the factors which makes the original number. So that's all about prime factorization method. All right, since prime factorization is clear now, so let us proceed with exercise 1c. So exercise 1c is very simple. Find the prime factorization of the following numbers. So we have to find the factors of 96. All right, and then question number 2 3. All right, I will solve for you question number 1, then question number 2 and 3 you will do it for homework. Also 2 and 3 you will do it for homework. They are exactly the same as question number 1. All right, so number 1 we have 96. all right, so answer you write we have 96 using prime factorization method. Using prime factorization method, so 96. all right, so it will be 248. Also I want to mention, see, this is an even number, so we will always start with 2, and if it is an odd number we will start with 3. all right, we will always try with the smallest prime number. So 2 into 24, so 2 into 12, 2 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 1. all right, so as you can see these are the factors of 96 numbers, which when we multiply we will get the original number. So therefore you will write factors of 96 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So you can express these expanded form. all right, you can express these factors in expanded form in the form of exponent. So it will be how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So it will be 2 to the power 5 into 3. So this will be your answer. all right, so for question number 1, number 2 and number 3 you will do it by yourself. Also question number 2 and question number 3. all right, so question number 1, 2 and 3 you'll do it by yourself. 2 and 3 also you'll do it by yourself, exactly the same as question number 1. Then we shall continue again in the next class.